Hey guys, I want to show you something super cool, man. So this is where the name WRAPIT came from, all right? So we got some wires here. So let's say you're in the trunk, you just sound deadened everything, and you got a little bit of harnesses hanging down. So what we used to do, you know, we take some carpet, wrap it up, do some electrical tape or something. So we thought, man, let's do something a little bit different. And then, so let's say we got some harnesses here, and I got my amazing hand model, Mr. Eddie. So he's showing you here how we wrap up some of these harnesses that are in your trunk, and you can see how this is working really nice. So what we're doing here, you can see the material wraps up really cool. So if you got some big harnesses, this is nice. And then finishes up like that. So the other cool thing he could do after this, now, you know, assume this is in the trunk, so go ahead and grab another piece there, Eddie. So imagine the trunk's all sound deadened. What he could do now is he could take this and use WRAPIT, and then we say wrap it, and then we say strap it. So now you would strap it to your wall or whatever, and that's gonna hold because it'll stick to itself, which is really cool. So we kind of said, hey, let's wrap it. Somebody said, man, that thing's noisy. I'm like, well, wrap it. Then you can strap it. So try that out, all right, guys? Let me know.